settings, and then down here I recommend the duration, the earliest recorded content saved, no matter how long you record that video. So this mode is basically really good for anytime you're waiting for something to happen. So if you're fishing...
Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, just having this breakfast. And yeah, I have coffee in here. My usual breakfast in the previous months, yeah, it's usually bread and coffee, or you know, the hot cross bun, usually that one, or crackers, and also rice meal. Yeah, but these days I am choosing this. It is already 2:16 and now I'm preparing my lunch. Yeah, this is egg. And I also have this Brunswick wild sardines. And yeah, this maybe is a processed food, or yep, tin food, but yeah, sardines is actually a good source with omega-3 protein and calcium packed in spring water. Yeah, so also no added salt, so I think it's good. That's it. Oh, it's broken. Yeah, and we are going out. We're going to ride the bike. It is 4:21 at the moment and the sun is still up there. Yeah, that's why I'm wearing this long sleeve. And we are just going to bike around here. We are parked here at 1 Mile Beach, and we are here in the area of Bay area. No, this is Boat Harbor. This is the roundabout here in Boat Harbor. Going to Boat Harbor. And I was not aware that the battery capacity is just 18 kilometers. So probably later going back to the car park. Yeah, I just need to use my own power. If I am not mistaken, there is the only one way, yeah, to go and to get out of this Boat Harbor. Yeah, only that roundabout. Oh, very fast. There's no shaded area to hide. That's a good car park. Lots of people park over there. Okay, let's sit down over there. I feel like this brake is not working very well. Yeah, let's just sit down here. Yeah, some people in the water, some people walking. Noise. I don't know if you can hear, but very noisy jet. Yeah, every day there is a flying jet around the area. Because this one is near to the Williamstown Air Base. Yeah, near the airport, Newcastle Airport. Not every hours, but yeah, probably in 1 hour or 2 hour. Yeah, you're going to hear the noise. It is already 5:03, but yeah, the sun is still up there. And yeah, later on, some people is going to occupy the place like this. Yeah, everywhere around, and they will going to have their probably dinner already. Yeah, or snacks. Actually, when I left the car park, yeah, there's a camper van. They are already preparing their meal. I'm not hungry yet. Also, yeah, also already lots of cars over there. Yeah, a group of friends. They are going to fish. And the jet is actually very low. Okay, we're going to leave this place. Oh, look at this car. It's beautiful. I don't know the brand. Doesn't show the brand, but it looks beautiful. Also, it looks classic. Yeah, you see? The brand is not familiar. Yeah, even before I've reached this place just by riding the bike. Yeah, I don't see any changes. This still looks the same. The area, maybe some houses, new houses, addition, but it still feels the same to me. And there's actually a hidden beach over here. A small car park. Yeah, it's called the Kingsley Beach. So if you want a small quiet beach, this one is good. But we're not going down there. There's the way. And one thing you're going to notice, yeah, warning about the beaches here in Australia. It is written in many different languages. There is Arabic, there is Korean, there is Taiwanese, Chinese, Vietnamese, no Filipino, no Tagalog. Yeah, because Filipinos can understand English. Yeah, in the Philippines, if you go to the Philippines, there will be a lot of people, yeah, that will not express their knowledge of English because they are shy. Especially when they have a first encounter with foreigner. Yeah, they will be mostly shy, but yeah, they can understand English. You just need to push a little bit for them to answer or participate. Maybe different accent, different pronunciation, still English. Just like Irish English, still English. There can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You hold me inside out and you show me. Oh, the battery capacity. Oh, let me show you. There is a bike. Yeah, a lot actually of this kind of bike here in Australia these days. Oh, it's just laying in the garage. Look at those. There are houses on the top of the hill. I've been there, but there's nothing really special. Yeah, as I was saying, this is the only way to go in and to get out of this boathouse around this roundabout. And you know, in the Philippines, there's now not a lot of roundabout. Actually, I remember just 2 roundabout. Yeah, the one in Welcome Rotonda in Quezon City, and in Timog. Yeah, Timog Avenue somewhere. Or should we go to the Robbie beach? Oh, not today, because I don't have much battery left. Hey, will be tiring, because actually riding the bike going to Ana Bay area, yeah, I still need some efforts to do the, you know, ride. And there are some hills to ride up there. Let me show you the beach. It's sand. Not easy to ride in the sand. Yeah, also I was saying, yeah, this bike is very common here now in Australia. Yeah, there is a lifeguard here, and if you walk all the way to that bush area, yeah, there's the Samurai Beach, a nude beach. I mean, clothing optional. Yeah, also 4-wheel drive. That's actually the only place in Port Stephen where you can drive up the beach. Yeah. Oh, there's another one, but in the area of yeah, Stockton Beach. But you know, only 4-wheel drive. Yeah. And this is also usually where they do the surfing. And there is a walking trail. I never been, but sometime in the future we're going to explore that walking trail. Impossible. Yeah, impossible to start in the sun. So here it's okay. Okay, we are back here in the car, and yeah, we're going to shopping center. Then I'm going to the gym.